Poco Beach Pier. Amber.
Yeah.
We're at a pier.
Hold on, look at
Might as well go that way. We're following the leader, the leader, the leader. Name that tune.
They have boat races on Sunday.
Ah, shit.
The boat's hurting now. What was it?
I got you on camera. Say what's up. So what's up? Sorry for the wind, guys. It's gonna be windy. So we're not that far high.
Not that far high.
Yeah.
Well, last night when we came, it looked like it was. Didn't it?
Yeah. This actually works pretty good. Yeah. So, live. New York City.
Not live.
No. So,
We like it. Oh, I like going to the beach. I don't know about Brian.
I don't like being around things that can see you and eat you. So,
Please stop it.
yeah, I really don't like my hair.
Oh my gosh, there's hair all over. Look.
So I got my hair did.
He's in style now. He's usually like an old man haircut. I like it.
Alright, well, let's head back. We're gonna go to Ron Jon's
Surf shop.
surf shop.
They
It's not a
also have-
restaurant.
I think they have Salt Life there too. I think Salt Life is
I think it's in the St. Augustine.
No, there's one here.
Oh.
There's a sign for it.
Oh.
Salt Life.
Inside, you can get your opinion.
It's $15.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Probably all silhouetted, but that's so cool. Ooh, that one's cool. Look at this one. Look at the colors.
There's shells everywhere sometimes. You don't even have to go close to like where the water is.
we just got done eating at IHOP.
Yeah.
How original. Come to
Well, like, we've been to like 3 different restaurants here for lunch. Like, we were literally waiting for somebody to say, hey guys, how can I help you? Like, nobody said anything. And we waited like 5 minutes at each place. So then, like, we can only go so far down, like, this road. So it's like, oh, okay.
And we don't like seafood, or we don't care for seafood that much. So we decided that, well, maybe we should just stick to chains.
Unfortunately.
Sorry.
Except for that when we went to Ryan's, that was so good.
Yes. So, hold on, we have to cross. So, we are headed to here.
Not the parking.
Yes. It's a beautiful parking lot.
It's 4 points by Sheridan at Cocoa Beach is where they have it at.
So, we're headed there. So, it should be fun.
We're going to cross with because of the light.
At the light. So, Amber's excited.
Well, no, because like when you're driving to Disney or like away from it, like the whole time on the highway and the freeways, you see the beach, and then like the next one says Ron Jon, surf shop. And I was like, okay, well, like obviously it has to be something important.
Well, even if you drive here from out of state. As soon as you enter Florida, you see signs for Ron Jon, so it's kind of cool to actually be here. So we'll see you guys when we get inside. Hookah shaka, hookah shaka.
Oh, remember the PT Cruisers? Is that the newest one over there?
I don't know. This car is monitored by video surveillance. There's no camera.
They're all like right there. Like there's like 10 of these.
Catching some waves, man. Whoa, he's a champion. That's him. So that's Carolyn Marks. And that's an Amber.
Hard time with allergies.
Oh look, the bike racks are surfboards.